Welcome to today's meditation to manifest your soulmate or a specific person. This powerful meditation will help you manifest your person into your life quickly. Find a quiet place and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Breathe in and exhale out. Allow your mind to settle and simply release any thoughts that pop up. This is your time. Surrender to this moment. I want you to take any fear, hesitation, need, lack, or feelings of desperation towards love and let them all go. Love is always surrounding you. Love is an energy, and we are going to tap into that energy now so that you can attract your soulmate or specific person. I want you to take a few moments and allow yourself to visualize and feel exactly how it would be if you were finally with your person. What would your life look like? How would you feel? Take a few moments to visualize and feel how it would be to be with your person. Live in that feeling fully. Now I want you to visualize a pink glowing light flowing throughout your entire body. This warm glowing energy is flowing from the top of your head down through your toes. This pink flowing light is the energy of deep love. And it is currently flowing from the universe throughout your body and into your current reality. Allow this energy to flow through you and allow it to come into your physical reality. Now I want you to repeat these affirmations and allow them to sink deep into your subconscious mind. My heart is open and ready to give and receive love. Love is flowing through me at all times. I have more love than I ever thought possible. I believe in my ability to attract my person. My person can feel our magical connection right now. My person is being drawn closer to me by my strong, positive love energy. I trust the universe to bring me my person. Allow yourself to have a few moments to feel the highest appreciation and gratitude for this fresh, clean slate and this unlimited amount of love you have tapped into. Feel as grateful as possible for the abundance of love you have just brought into your reality. Now trust it is done. You no longer need to ask. What you want is already yours. You are full of love and your person is coming to you. Surrender and trust the universe. The universe always provides. Now I want you to slowly start to come back to your body, but keep those feelings of love, gratitude, and appreciation. You can start to wiggle your toes. Now start to gently move your fingers and hands. Now allow your mind and body to slowly start to come back into your current reality. Unlimited and unconditional love is on its way to you now. And whenever you need to refresh, simply listen to this meditation again. Now you can slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "My person can feel our magical connection right now," to affirm that you have attracted back your specific person.